Sige. So this time, let us all have the Mr. Foundation 2024 fifth runner-up. Okay? May I request this Mr. and Miss 2024 fifth runners-up to please stand up and go to the front to receive your sash, to receive your bouquet, trophy, corsage, and love gift. Di dyan ko sa tunga, day. Diyan ko sa tunga. Sakto galiin mo kanimo akan bayo. Ha? Sakto-sakto gid kanimo. Pirar ni edad mo. Klaro. Sige lang, may hanang baby girl. Let's call on Mr. and Mrs. Sinbad G. Baitan for the giving of sash. Kumusta namin nami? Gito na imo nga hair doon, no? O ka na nagsalapit sa imong buhok. Aran si Tito, bagay git kanimo ri ang buhok. Amo man kara kauna akan buhok. Kap amo gid ra kauna. Garing gibutong ka akan classmate na tipo. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, so again, these are our Mr. Foundation 2024 fifth runner-up and our Miss Foundation 2024 fifth runner-up as well. So this is Ma'am Sinbad Baitan. Am I correct? Okay. So amuri akatanda si Ma'am Baitan. Kinanglan gid isibit. Katuta na ka nag-mister, ako puncher ta na gingamit. Okay. Alright. So again, our fifth runner is up. Si Mr. Shonix Kiabi B. S. Fortuno. Okay, atin little miss, what's your name na? Anong ngaran mo gani? May hari Si Miss Viol Luis, no. Miss Marcy J. G. Kaholosa. Ayan. Okay, so this time, let's call on Ma'am Joyce O. Gallego to give the trophy. Ayan. Bonggagit janggit kamu kaagi sa ayon nga rin no? Sa buwag kita ng mga flowerettes, bongacious kita na inyong event kadyan. Ayan. So, again, this is Mr. Shonix Kiabi B. S. Fortuno. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joyce O. Gallego. This time, to give the corsage or to pin the corsage, let us all have the advisor, Ma'am Grace E. Elisan. Ayan. So, bongacious din ang mga corsage, no? Ginatugro na galit ka dyan, mga corsage nga riyan. So, that's it. Boy! Bonggagit na lang, no? Nami kita na imong mamirok nga riyan, inborn na. Okay, bonggagit na ng mirok. No? Kaya sanda karang ako man kauna nga gamay pa ako kitabay ng mga bahay mayaon taten, no? Feeling normal, ma'am, balik anay, ma'am. Ay kanugo ng imong sandal. Kinanglan picturean gidri syempre daad maimaw lang ako. Ayan, pasensya dyan ako naglantaw. Abi ko dyan photographer. Next, we have to give your love gift. Let's have Zoe Chanel F. Baitan. Nami ngaran mga Chanel, mga manggranon, bayra mga Chanel. Ikaw na si Chanel. Ayan, wow. Sapatos silid na kara. Si Darwan yung kaset sapatos. Okay, sige. Kamu man yung mga photographer, hambalin nyo ako kung ma-picture rin. Ulit akong na-smile. O sige. Sige na, duyo lang dyan. Thank you so much. Ano duyo lang din ba? Sige, thank you, Gin. Naog ko rin eh, tapos rin ba, no? Okay, next. Nabi mga bata nga dyan, no? We have our NIS Foundation 2024 fifth runner-up. And to give the sash, let's call on Mr. and Miss J. Mar Taholosa. Darwagi man ka J. Mar. Wow, bongga. Katura mong katlura, ginislan yung gali. J. Mar. Bongga, no. Amugid man na modern and by kadya. So may mga revisions, nag-innovate rin sanda. Okay. Akong galing nga rin kisa Mrs. Kirk Morales. Okay lang daw, feel ko man. Okay, sige. Hoy, kadlaw, kamo dyan ko gapakadlaw ako para mag-boring. Okay, sige ha. Ayan, kamo man nga ngadakod, kamo ka mga sash kamo. Smile man kamo. Sir, smile. Dan. Para hindi mawiyang ating tiyempo. Okay, sige. Wow. Dumagninang ng magninong. That's so nice. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Next, we have to give the trophy. Let's have Ma'am Christine Joy Del Rosario. Ma'am Christine, okay, hindi ka mo magmayha kung kabaton ka mo ka mga love gift. Amurang importante sa tanan, no? Love gift. Ayan, sige. Smile ka, ma'am. Pag mapapicture kitang darwa, smile. Dante, nami kita na. Thank you so much. Let's have to give the bouquet. We have Japsi May Vigafria. Sa Japsi Ruma, darwar man S, no? Japsi. That's the sound of a snake. Wow. Okay, sakto balik kanimo ma'am ang aking pencil nga ria. Guwapa. Baka namin magpa-picture. No? Thank you so much, Ma'am Magbanwa, for having me here. Okay, and to give the love gift, let us have Annalyn Euro. Manggranon gidya. Euro by gani. Tagpira ganin ka dito liar. Wow, bongga kita na. Okay, let's be friends, ma'am. No? Wow, amurang love gift. Ito ka namin lang sa opportunity na siya. Asensyahan nyo lang ako kay amugid ako kay agi by ako. Okay. So ladies, ipos kamo. Kami ng karakmaan. Alright, so ladies and thank you gali. May dyan pa nga ito bro. Okay. Balik rin kamo to kay ako naman. Kapalmoks kita na. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this time let us call on our Mr. Foundation 2024 4 runners-up. Dali ka mo, anak? Di ka mo rin. Okay, let's have 4th runners-up, Mr. Junli O. Ciprado. Ayan. And Dean Sanda, tama? Kakilala ka ng ngaran, lawagan ko. Mr. Julio Ciprado! Ay, kinala tulog-tulog. Okay, sige. Kag, si Miss Maika Maxine H. Oliveros. Wow, bongga, lapat-lapat, ginang gown. Amo dyan, mamang inyong Monday uniform? Bongga ka namin, no? Sige, abanti kawa. Dyan lang, okay? So, this time, let's call on, okay? To give the sash as Judy Servano. Sino siya? Si ma'am? Okay. Kis aga tanang ako sa name nga dyan may Judy, may nga laki. Okay? May Judy man nga bahi. Ma'am, itablok gid kamayat para hindi mag-kaway-kaway. Okay? So, ready ka mo mapapicture kita na miyan tagid ma'am para match gid kita. Dan, go! Okay. Thank you so much. Let's have Okay, Sir Edwin Z. Kagalawan to give the trophy. Ayan. Bonggay shoes kita na, no? Kanami, kita na maglapak sa aisle ninyo. Nami, dahil to kamo dahil maagi sa aisle para magamit nyo. Okay? Nagseryoso ako, laki akong partner. May hat naman. Okay, andyan. Ladies and gentlemen, to give the corsage, we have Ma'am Fredeline S. Moscoso. Ay, bongga ang hair. Kakaloka. Okay. Ako ba'y namang nagawig ako kauna, nagahulog. What karakyutan. Okay, bongga. Okay. Hindi bongga lang kita na. I really love this opportunity you have given me. Kasi bonggay shoes here. Ha? Smile din, ma'am. And thank you so much. Alright, so this time let's have Sir Allen Gingaray to give the love gift. Alright? Ma'am, was it right? Allen, on behalf of Sir Allen, okay? So, yes. Much. So, to give the... Okay. Then, this time, let's have Sir Luisito Estares to give the trophy. Ayan.
Okay, sir. It's your time to shine, to give the trophy.
Nami, tanang kapadulong ka lang ka-smile ka rin. No? Iba tanang kapagtok ng kapamaragsa rin. Enjoy the night. Ayan. Okay? Thank you so much, Sir Luisito Estares. This time to give the bouquet, we have Ma'am May Glenn H. Shaker. Ayan. Ma'am May, bongga kita nami kita na ako nag-entrance timo sa the center aisle with the red carpet. Ma'am, to ako spiya. Mapapicture ka? Okay. Pwede ako to spiya? Okay, sarap ako nun, sir. Sige, thank you, Gid Ma'am, sa opportunity. Dok namin ng no, mga Diyos ko. Alright. Okay then? So, ladies and gentlemen, this time, let's have Sir James Oliveros Jr. and Ma'am Jean Love Hiponia to give the love gift. Wow, nami, name na gift? Ma'am Jean Love to give the gift love. Wow! Na-overdose, gid ka love si Ma'am. Bongacious. Ayan. Alright, so again, ladies and gentlemen, our fourth runner-up, Miss Micah Maxine Oliveros. So thank you so much. So may I request the two of you to please go back to your seats. Thank you so much again. So this time, let's give the awards to Mr. Foundation third runners-up. Let's start with okay, din ka ni si Miss Ron or Mr. Ron Stanley D. Crespo. Asan naman ito? Okay. And then, Miss Norlaila S. Balowa. Okay, please come forward. Dito kayong dalawa anak. Wow, beautiful. Bongga imong suit. Wow. Okay, let's have Mr. and Miss Ronald B. Crespo to give the sash. Again, our third runners-up, Mr. Ron Stanley D. Crespo and Miss Normaila S. Balowa. Wow, sakto kali mo ma'am ako ni yellow gown. Wow, bongga gid nami kamo nga mga bayi, daad nagbahi man ako. Duro na to akan bayo nga igot-igot. cute ng kaninyo, no? Yeah, this is actually a rare opportunity wherein everyone is wearing, no? Best dresses. Amo mo dyan akong ginahulat-hulat sa amon eskwelahan. Yeah, you look so gorgeous tonight. Bongacious gid. Okay, so again, thank you so much. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Ronald B. Crespo. This time to give the trophy, we have Mom Ivy M. Calnerin. So again, our third runner-up, Mr. Ron Stanley D. Crespo, will be receiving his trophy from Mom Ivy M. Calnerin. So bongacious din talaga ang mga dresses, mga dress up nyo, bongacious.
Tag 5 minutes.
Smile.
Mag 20 lang.
Okay, thank you so much, Mom. So, this time, let's call it Mom Shirley May W. Lim to give the corsage. Ayan. Sige. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, the corsage is being given by Mom Shirley May Lim. Alright, so this time, okay, sige lang, ha? Medyo nagtiko ang sivit. Amon kauna para pag-un, amon ginagamit ang tucker lang, ha? You know tucker? Daw pagpilit na karang itap mo lang, di magulog rin. Dan, medyo gamay gawang sibit na ginbutang mo. So, sige lang. Smile ikaw samtang ginabutangan ko ka corsage. Ayan. Sige. Mas smile ka rin, ma'am. Go. Nami lang din. Thank you so much, mom. Okay, this time, to give the love gift, let's have Mom Christine A. Tagumtong. Okay? So again, our Mr. Third runner-up is Mr. Ron Stanley Crespo. Okay. Ayan. Sister? Okay. Sige. Smile. Sige. Kamu ka panghagad dyan. Okay. And, hagada niyo ako, madalok-dalok kamu ka camera. Okay, wala. Joke lang. Okay, next we have the Miss Foundation, third runner-up. This time, let us call on Moshrifa S. Baloa and Laide M. Baloa to give the sash. Kaloka mga names. Alright. Wow, beautiful, ma'am. Bongacious. Ayan, sige. So, again, our third runner-up is Miss Norlaila Baloa.
Sa light siguro.
Raren? Okay, Raren. Hindi na akong kasmile. Okay, next, okay? To give the trophy, let's have Mom Hazel S. Fornella. Mom Fornella? Wow. Diyan dapat ko nag-agi sa red carpet. Bongacious. Gamitan niyo dyan, sayang. Yan. Sige, ikaw lang dyan. Ano kanugo ng space sa likod bala daw hindi magamit. Okay. Alright, sige. Okay rin? To give give the love gift, ladies and gentlemen, let's have bouquet. Ma'am Florence L. Magpili. Ma'am Florence. Wow. Sige. Alright, so again, Ma'am Florence L. Magpili is giving the bouquet to our third runner-up. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am. This time, let's have Ma'am Mosrifa S. Baloa to give the love gift. Ayan. So, bongget, kita na kung dra ka mo maagi sa center aisle ninyo. Sige lang, Ma'am, ha? Okay. Para formal kamo lang anay sa picture. Ay, backgrounder lang taken. Thank you so much. So, Mr. and Miss, thank you so much. Now you may go back to your thrones. Thank you so much. So this time, let's have the Mr. Foundation 2024 second runners-up. Our second runners-up are as follow. Mr. Josh Matthew C. Del Rosario and Miss Farmieza M. Baloa. Andito. Wow! Bongga, kita ng payo, nanda. Okay, sige. Tutlanay ka mo dyan kang inyong space. Diya, kamusta nga? Itiwan ka mo na? Okay. So, sige. To give the sash to our Mr. 2024 second runner-up, let us all have Mr. and Mrs. Joey Del Rosario. Alright, so again, our Mr. Foundation 2024 second runner-up is Mr. Josh Matthew C. Del Rosario. What a beautiful name, no? Josh. Bata ba na ni Chris Aquino, no? Mauta na ni Pinvino. So, Josh. Ayan. Joshua. No? Akin namin manakang ngaran, Kirk. Bumbagin. Kirk means church. Tawag natin Kirky. Magambal ko sa mga estudyante ko, good morning class, sabat nanda, good morning sir Turkey. Ay, nagpagod ng takil. Kirky, thank you so much. This time, let's have Ma'am Joanne Hormiliosa to give the trophy to our Mr. Foundation Day 2024 second runner-up. Ayan. Vongacious ang trophy. Black gigalitaan dyan, no? Okay, sige. Yan, di nyo ako pagsakaka dyan. Sige lang. Thank you so much, Mom. So this time, to give the corsage to our second runner-up, Mr. Foundation 2024, let's have Mama Roda May A. Dusong. Ayan, sige. Bongga nagaingat kita ng ananga health. Tama? Heels, no? Ano tawag karaman? Klagsra? Let me know. Klagsra, tuks, ano ganito ma'am? Stiletto? Sandal? Tunduin nyo kami, kara hindi takong kamaan. Amon tanakra, mga laki, mga high health. Amon lang na amon manan. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Roda. To give the love gift, we have Ma'am Hilda Del Rosario. Ayan. So, amon ta naman, ko ta na naman closed shoes. Ayan, bongga din ang love gift. Alright. Color key. Ayan. Thank you, Gid. Wow, bongga. Ma'am, ilang taon na po kayo? Oh, 71. Wow, ka-sexy ni Ma'am. Sana maging 71, ganyan din ako kalakas. Okay? Sige, akit na edad daw ka rin tahon ng takot, yung rakit lamang ako maagnas. Look at me. Si Ma'am Tanakabongga ka na, wow. Amura ang mga healthy living, no? So, this time, okay, to give the sash to our Miss Foundation 2024 second runner-up, we have Mr. and Miss Rajib Balowa. Ayan. So again, our second runner-up, we have Miss Farnieza M. Balowa. Okay, ganon. Ganon lang talaga pag may miss, no? Kailangan talaga yung mga supports ng ating mga relative. Ayan. So, okay. Alright, thank you so much, sir. So this time, to give the trophy, let's call it Ma'am Jenna Jane F. Puyo. Ma'am Jenna Jane. Ayun siguro ni Ma'am si JJ. Double J. No? Tama, Ma'am? Si JJ Bongga. Okay, si Jenna Jane. Namian ko ka letter J. Oo. Okay. Yan. Thank you so much. And to give the bouquet, let's call it Cyril E. Capistrano. Again, Cyril E. Capistrano will be giving the bouquet, no, to our second runner-up, Miss Farnieza and Balowa. Alright. So thank you so much, Mom. So this time, to give the love gift, let me call it Rahib Balowa. Ano yung Sir Rajib Rahib? Rahib? Ah, okay. Ah, Rajib. Alright. Okay, that's the love gift from Sir Rajib Balowa to our Miss Foundation 2024 second runner-up. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much, Mr. and Miss second runner-up. So this time, kindly go back to your throne. So, to award the first runner-up, Mr. and Miss Foundation 2024, let's call on Mr. Ray Gabriel E. Ola and Miss Shahara Faith Z. Laison. Wow! Bongga daw Goldilocks anong color. Bongga, beautiful. So, and to give the sash, let us call on Kimberly and Kaiza Zaragoza. Okay? To our Mr. Foundation, I'm so sorry. To Mr. Foundation, Mom, so sorry. First runner-up to give the sash, Fred Deswinda E. Ola and Francesca A. Mencino. Ayan. So, again, our Mr. Foundation 2024, first runner-up is Mr. Ray Gabriel E. Ola. Ayan. So be thankful, no? Wow, you are so lucky because your grandma. Are you the grandmothers of this little king here? Oh, bongga. Bongga ito si Lola no nandyan sa ating Mr. and Miss event. So thank you so much, moms. Beautiful ang mga dresses. Ganun talaga. Sana sa pagtanda ko, ganyan din yung gown na masusuot ko. No? Okay. Sige, wag mo face the camera. Thank you so much, Mom Fredeswinda E. Ola and Francesca A. Mencino. Okay. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, to give the trophy, let's call it Joycey O. Gallego. Ayan. Ma'am Joycey, kita ikaw per me sa FB, no? Okay, sige lang. Oo. Thank you so much, and to give the corsage or to pin the corsage, let's have Mirna M. Ifiangco. Ayan. Mga smiling faces ang ating mga pinners, no? Mga love givers pa, at saka mga trophy awarders. Okay, so this time, please be ready, love giver. Okay, so thank you so much, Ma'am Mirna, this time. Let's have Jappy. Jappy or JP Rubino Kiliamor. Okay. Jappy. Okay. Okay, Ma'am Jappy. Nami mga ngaral niyo dyan? Ma'am Jappy. Bongga. Abi ko laki ng name, no? So, okay. Thank you, Ma'am Jappy Rubino Kiliamor. Okay, thank you so much. This time, let's have our Miss Foundation. No. Okay. Miss Foundation 2024 first runner-up to do the sash. Let's have Kimberly and Kaiza Zaragoza. Kaiz Zaragoza. Puro galing Z dyan, no? Nabi ba ng Z no word, no? Nga sound gali. Alright. Zaragoza. How are you connected with the actress? Ha? Ma'am Beautiful? Beautiful din si Ma'am, no? Ganyan na ganyan ang mukha ko nung grade 6 ako, section 4. Magandang maganda. Sige, Ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Zaragoza. This time, to give the trophy, let's call it Ma'am Ivy M. Calmerin. Ma'am Ivy, yan, vocacious. So daw ka nami lang Ma'am pag-prepare yung red carpet with art, no? Art. Ganun galit, no? Pero nami, kita na ako magamit nyo kay sadya ka mo sa piyak ko sa bilib ka ragi. No? Yan. Vocacious gitana. Thank you so much. This time, let's have to give the bouquet, let's call it Ma'am Delia M. Laxinto. Wow, Ma'am Delia. Ganun na ganun talagang bouquet na ginamit ko nung kinasal ako. Ayan. Sige, smile. Ayan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Delia M. Laxinto. And this time, to give the love gift, let's have Kimberly Zaragoza. Okay, Mom, for these around again, Mom Kimberly with her sister. With your daughter. Okay, sige. No? Parang ganun lang talaga, no? Smile. Alright. Thank you so much. So again, alright, please go back to your seats. Mr. and Miss first runners up. So, this time, okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's call it our Miss Foundation and Mr. Foundation 2024 to please stand up and please move forward. Wow! Bogacious gift. Para ako rin ang mapungkok, para hindi mo na ako maalayan. Okay, please be at the center. Okay, sige pa na. Kita nyo na, chandelier. Diyan ka makasting nga, isagawa dyan na. Dan, para matinaan. Okay, so this time, ladies and gentlemen, to give the sash to our Mr. Foundation 2024, let's all have Mr. and Mrs. Jean Anthony Villagracia. Nami inyong bangko no. Bonggagit. Wow! Nagakanang-kanang kita na pag foundation day. Nanian ako kung mga girls mag-hair do. Piraramang ka oras bay. Lawit gawa guru lagi. Bonggay shoes. Ako na dali lang mga 5 minutes or 2 minutes tapos rin. Pagkat gastos galing ako kung magpa-haircut pa ako sa barbershop. Okay, sige. So again, our Mr. Foundation Day 2024 is none other than Mr. James Frederick G. Villagracia. Ganun pala yan. Sige. So magpi-picture taking na sila. Nani kay na ito may mga aso-aso kay Mr. and Miss Foundation Day rin ba kita? Pwede nyo paasuhon gamay? Oo, pa may background. Ayan! Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so this time to give the trophy to our Mr. Foundation Day 2024. Let's have Cecil Q. Masgon, Branch Manager, Sign Reese Bantayan, and Honorable Noel de la Peña. To our trophy. Alright, I'm sorry. Trophy will be given by Ma'am Josie Gallego. Sorry, hindi ko kita gawa rin. Alright, so thank you so much. And to give the corsage, let's have Cherry E. Sibugan. Okay, again, Ma'am Cherry E. Sibugan. Again, our Mr. Foundation Day 2024 is Mr. James Frederick G. Villagracia. And to give the corsage, the love gift, we have Pearl P. Cruz, Dalton Gonzaga, and Maricel Gonzaga. Again, to give the love gift, let's call it Ma'am Pearl P. Cruz and Dalton Gonzaga and Maricel Gonzaga. Wow! Okay. Okay, this is for our Mr. Foundation 2024. Our foundation, Mr. Foundation 2024 is Mr. James Frederick G. Villagracia. Thank you very much. And this time, to give the sash to our Miss Foundation 2024. Anyway, our Miss Foundation 2024 is Miss Princess Lehan G. Pefianco. Let's call it Mr. and Miss Brian Pefianco to give the sash. Alright, so ganun. Nami gid mag-isa may aso-aso, isa man wala man no. Dapat ana nag-araso na lang no. Para bongacious. Wow! Bongacious. Nami gidita na ko na red carpet. No? James, okay, please move here a little bit. Okay? Alright. Huwag masyadong malayo. Yan. Sige. James, smile ka rin dyan. So, these are Mr. and Miss Brian Pefianco. Kakaloka. Anak ha? Okay. Princess Lehan. Tama? Princess Lehan. Leyan. Okay. Leyan Pefianco. Okay. So, thank you so much. Kinanganimaw ka mo dyan. Smile ka mo. Ang smile nyo gaabot, hasta slay nga nyo dapat. Wow! Again, thank you so much. And to give the trophy, again, let's call it Ma'am Cecil Q. Masgon, the branch manager of Sign Race Bantayan, together with Honorable Noel de la Peña, the Barangay Kagawad of Barangay Badyang. Alright, sige. Anyway, Barangay Kagawad of Barangay Badyang, welcome to Barangay San Fernando. Ayan, so Honorable Noel de la Peña. And this time to give the bouquet, let's call in Ma'am Marie France Grace Nios, the owner of Mars Flower Shop, together with John Marvin Millares, makeup artist, florist, and event coordinator. Wow, Shongga! Bongacious again, our Miss Foundation 2024 is none other than Miss Princess Leian G. Pefianco. So again, Ma'am Cecil Masgon and John Marvin and Marie France, thank you so much. And to give the love gift, let's have Mary Shalvi, Pefianco, and Brian Pefianco. So, again, ladies and gentlemen, please mark these names, no? Your Mr. and Miss Foundation Day 2024 are Mr. James Frederick G. Villagracia and Miss Princess Leon G. Pefianco. Bongacious sila. Hindi na yan makakalimutan. Kasi kayo na ay maging part ng history of San Fernando Elementary School, whether you like it or not. Yun, kasali ka na doon. So, remember, mark this 72nd founding anniversary of San Fernando Elementary School. Siguro ngayon ni representative ang 72 years ago na batch, no? Okay, so again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause. Your Mr. and Miss Foundation Day 2024. Okay. So thank you so much and take a bow. Bow. Okay. Sige, thank you, Gida. Kagbalik ka mo sa inyong purungkuan. Dagan ko ang ibagay, bugatan ikaw. Kulang karamadarang. Na? Okay, well, thank you. You're welcome. Okay lang ka mo. Dali lang, magputon kung inyo nga Mr. Ja. Happy ka man? Okay, dali lang. Bulaan ang flower mo na.